Welcome to How We Roll Auto.
What are you doing today?
I'm chasing down some electrical stuff. A random wire coming out of here. Looks like it goes to the fans. We're just gonna cobble stuff together to see if we got lights and stuff.
Did someone spray paint that orange, or did it come orange?
That's the color of those engines.
What are these magnets for?
Those are welding magnets.
Oh.
This is interesting. I don't like these terminals.
Why does it say on your thing?
What?
Oh.
Blessy? Okay, so come out the battery cable that goes to the starter. You wonder why things don't work. Now, stop chasing. Who cares about that?
Oh, damn.
So,
Yes, sir.
ADHD. Squirrel, squirrel, squirrel.
Am I not supposed to pick that up either?
No, do not pick that up either. Where you going?
It's hot in the sun.
Yeah, I know. I'm standing there.
Okay, well, that's you.
Check this out. Look at this thing. Look at this cable. It's burnt. No sheathing on it. They put some janky dollar store electrical tape on it.
Cheap.
I'm the cheap. Because you know what, honey?
I'm cheap.
No, I do this for you.
Oh. Well, I didn't know. I
And
can
that's
see
going to be
it.
edited out.
Did you put this here for a reason? I'm just noticing this. I can't believe it.
Yeah, I got to use it on the carburetor.
I can sell that cage. Bring that cage down. People are buying those like crazy.
Watch out. Watch out.
Oh.
You get to the side and film it.
Which side? Oh, is this gonna smell?
Yeah.
Well, you know I don't like smelling shit. Excuse me, sir. What was that look for?
You make me look like I smell shit right now.
What?
I said, you make me look like I'm smelling shit.
No, I'm just saying I don't like to smell stuff.
My pad. My pad, please.
Get on up. Get on up.
Ow.
Alright, so what are you doing right now? Trying to put all this in there so it loosens up?
Yeah, I'm freeing up all the... getting the grime and stuff and the junk out. It's been sitting forever. I'm sure I'll need more of that. It opens all the way up.
Lube it up.
Okay.
Was this spray painted?
What's that?
This here, what is this?
That's the master cylinder.
Okay.
And no, they're usually just cast iron. That's why they rust. But it looks like they painted it.
Yeah.
And they got brake fluid all over it. Brake fluid will strip just about anything.
These people really liked
Magenta.
spray painting magenta.
Magenta.
Get the low down on your hoe
That didn't hurt or
down.
nothing. Tighten up the belt, but there's nothing to grab, and this dumb bracket's in the way.
So, I don't know, you can't just undo these knotty thing here?
Why would I undo those?
I don't know. You said you were trying to get to here,
You
right?
need to go away. This is not your expertise.
Okay,
Just
whatever,
film.
Whatever.
That is not your expertise. If I take those off, that's what it mounts to. I have to be able to pull this and then tighten it. Can't take it off.
I don't know what you're trying to do, I guess. I'm not really paying attention to you. What were those things called when, you know, those Chinese things that you put on your index fingers and you try to get out?
Chinese finger cuffs?
Oh, yeah. That's what these things are, right?
No.
Well, one is not connected to something.
None of them should be connected. Ooh.
It's hot over here in the damn sun, okay? You got nothing in here I can sell? Besides that dog cage? I need to make a money. Money, money, money. Honey.
So, I tell the warden, you know, because she's telling me how easy this looks. I said, go ahead and cut this wire. How are you going to cut this red power cable here? Okay, what are you going to do here? I'm going to cut that.
I'm gonna grab my scissors.
Okay, give it a shot. Let's see how well this works.
Right here?
Uh-huh.
Okay, boom.
You hurt yourself.
Alright, well, do you have anything else?
Yeah, the right tools.
Okay. What's that?
All right, you hold this and I'll do it. Not the right tools, but they'll work. Let me get my safety glasses, and I'm not talking about these safety glasses either. I'm talking about, you know, actual foot safety glasses. Shield your eyes, honey.
I got my You didn't tell me I would get. Look at you.
You're gonna be okay.
No, that was like sparks.
Your
honey.
Lululemons are gonna be fine. I'm gonna put this down there and loosely for now, and we'll measure it out later.
This tape here is magenta. Well, that?
Yes.
Well, how can I get it there? You're on
Stand on the other side of it. Come on. What the hell? Super comfortable.
I don't want you to lose your tool.
Yes, you're holding.
I'm holding. Holding strong.
Got it?
I got it. Lord have mercy.
So far, this video hasn't been as funny as the last video. The warden's been on fire today. So.
On fire?
Yeah, bad mood warden. Bad mood rising.
Oh, you make it easy.
Make what easy? Life? Make life easy?
Are you gonna move the truck?
No. Stay with me. That thing's like all the way out. Good, good. Okay, so now we need to take the bolts that we found for the exhaust manifold, because they're all rusty, and we need to chase the threads down and clean them up. Let's do that. Over here. Hitherto. You're not going to like the smell of this.
Oh, Lord.
Brake clean. Brake clean. Best stuff on the plant. Yeah, we're going to chase these. All cleaned up. basically I just repeat this on every one of them.
Maybe it's his wife coming out.
Of the closet?
No.
So, inspecting the cables on the truck, and we've got a ground wire that's disconnected. Cob these together anyway, so we can get it started, and we'll come back and fix them the right way later on. Alright, we're heading down to the shop today to work on the C10 a little bit, address some of the wiring issues coming off the, or going to the starter, the coil to the solenoid. And we don't have the warden with us today, so we'll be filming ourselves, which ought to be interesting. She did give me a really good budget for today's outing here. She said I could spend $0, so that's what we're gonna do. Wouldn't want to get in trouble thrown in solitary or anything like that. I got a bed full of parts and miscellaneous stuff that I took out of the Roadrunner, the 72 Roadrunner, also known as Lucretia McEvil. If you don't know what that means, go ahead and look up Blood, Sweat, and Tears. That's the name of a song that they sing, and I think it fits the car perfectly. But I had a trunk loaded up with a bunch of stuff. I could have basically built another Roadrunner this summer, drive around with all the tools and parts and pieces I had in the back of that car, which enabled me to go 4,000 miles comfortably for all the trips we did. So we will get down here, unload that stuff, and get to getting. Alright, we made it down to the shop. This is the piece we cut off. I'm going to show you that, how nasty it was. All burnt and corroded, and I have a feeling it might have been grounding out down there. But who knows? We'll put a new end on the other one, cut it to length, route it correctly, and work on that. After, figure out what's going on here. So, because I'm old, I forgot to bring my continuity tester. You know, said to myself, don't forget that. What I do, I forgot it. Every day, something new. Every day, something old is new again. But we'll unwrap all this. Let me go get my stool here. I guess I'm too short. This is just all old, nasty tape. No stickiness to it at all. Zip ties on it. All sorts of weird stuff. Ah, geez. I did notice that on the vacuum advance on the distributor, there's no vacuum line on it, so looking at the carburetor, I do not see any ports that are open, which is just weird. It's like he was running mechanical with an open vacuum advance on his distributor. I've never seen that before, but that don't mean anything. Not what I would have done, but that doesn't make what I do right either. I'm guessing it was running and driving before, that's what I was told, so we'll just clean up what he did. And we'll go from there. So weird. Maybe it's a wire. right, we're gonna put the heat shrink over this one before we crimp the end. Now, if I can find a lighter, I'll do this now. If not, I'm gonna have to come back because you gotta heat these up, shrink them down. Well, I can't find a lighter because I don't smoke, but I do torch, so I will torch. Don't take much heat. So this will be my new coil wire going down to the starter. And then these over to here, I'm going to use a different color. So when I get down there, I know what's what. So I'm going to put yellow on that end. I'll go to the starter saw light. Don't need that dropping on me. Alright, sorry for the boring filming, but this is boring work. Nobody wants to watch this stuff. Nobody wants to do this stuff. This is not good filming. I just can't. This is boring as shit.